morning, everybody. We are on the Ozark Highland Trail, moving from Matney Knob to Moccasin Springs. We did our shuttle this morning. We met at 9:45 at Moccasin Springs, shuttled up to Matney Knob trailhead, and we got on trail about 10:30, and we are probably now about maybe a shade over 3 miles into our hike. Rick Penley and Tammy are with me, and it's a nice day, beautiful weather, a little on the warm side, but no threat of rain or anything like that, so that's good. It's going to get chilly tonight, but nothing bad. This section of trail is new to us. We haven't been on it before, and so far we've had one big climb up to the knob, or around the side of the knob I should say, and it wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. We cached some water down at I think it's Brush Creek. They were having a trail running race today. There were some people there. They looked at us kind of funny when we went in there with jugs of water, but we told them what we were doing. So we don't know what the water situation is going to be like. We've seen two streams and they both had water in it, so that's a good sign. We plan on doing 12 miles today, and that shouldn't be a problem, but it's just a really nice little section. We saw one view of the White River when we first started, and we came off the knob, and now we're in kind of the lower area of the trail. There will be some climbing later on, and we'll get up and probably have some better views, but right now you're just walking through the I think we're in the National Forest, pretty sure we are, and we're coming up on another stream. This will be the third one, and there is lots of water here. Take a look. Oh yeah, plenty of water. In fact, how are we going to cross this without getting shoes wet? Yeah, my legs are getting cut up. Oh, damn.
Those little trees are real strong. Those little trees like that.
As it pops.
Yeah. Well, I don't know how long it's been laying there. They're strong when they're alive.
Oh, mucky.
Oh, really? Pretty mucky?
Ah, dang gum, man.
You get a bunch? Oh,
Yeah, I just tore the heck out of my hand.
you got your gloves?
Well, the gloves wouldn't have done anything for that. Okay, this is not fun. See the trail right there. But good grief. That was an unpleasant detour. Yeah. Everyone survive? Look at my hand. Check this out.
Band-Aid?
No.
Oh, you got a hell of a scratch.
Yeah, it just ripped right across there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well.
I got Band-Aid.
I gotta go back to the car, guys. I'm done. This hike's over. Okay. All right, let's get back down the trail, and I'll check in with you later with hopefully some more entertaining stuff. Okay, right here. This is from the trail run this morning. They how far was it? 50 mile trail run. Those were the people we saw at Brush Creek where we cached our water. Okay, it looks like we go this way.
Yesterday they did a 50K.
Hey, down there, there's a blaze pointing that way, dude.
Where?
On that tree right there.
Well, look at that. Oh, okay, that's coming up from that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, got you. Sorry. All right.
Oh, there it is.
Man, where's the... Good grief, is this it?
There's another place right in front of us.
Where?
We're going down this road, dude.
I think, yeah.
What is that blaze? Oh, I guess it's just telling us to go this way. Okay, all right.
That was safe for me.
Good thing you saw it.
Hey, all I gotta do is break out the map on the GPS. I will find it. It's funny.
But yeah, yesterday they ran 50K. Today they ran 50 miles. And then I think tomorrow is like, I don't know, a 10K or something.
All right, we've been doing some road walking. How many miles have we walked on this road? About 2?
Pretty ways.
I don't know. We started back there at that creek crossing.
Yeah. Maybe not quite 2, but been a little while. It's like we're coming to another stream down here.
Oh,
Rick swallowed a bug, FYI. So that's always a highlight when someone swallows a bug.
gross. Must have been a big one if you could taste him too.
Yeah, how big a bug was it?
It flew right in the back of my throat, and I knew I couldn't get it out, so I just swallowed
Oh.
it. I didn't want to hear it. I didn't want to feel it moving around.
Yeah.
Ah.
I said, you fly in my throat? I hope you enjoyed it, because now you fly.
Not very exciting, that's for sure. We crossed one major stream and it was dry, so I hope the others we come across aren't. Doubt they would be. I think there's plenty of water out here, but this particular stretch of the OHT is not, I mean, it's not bad. You don't really have any views in here. You're just in the forest, and on top of that you are walking on a road, dirt road. Have no idea where these roads go, but Highway 341 is way over that way, and here's another little, well, this used to be a little bit of a road there, but this is what you're looking at. Adjust the camera a little. So this is not the funnest type of hiking to do, but we're hoping to get back into the woods on a proper trail soon. Oh, one thing I failed to mention earlier was that we ran into a guy who was from Oklahoma, and we were going up the side of Matney Knob, and he was coming down. I mean, he had like a little, I don't know, I guess you can call it a day pack, very small, and he started talking to us, and he was so glad to see us and all of this, and apparently being out here by himself really freaked him out, and he wasn't even a quarter mile from the parking lot. It was very, I don't know, for lack of a better word, odd for someone his age, and you know, as a guy and all that, didn't, I mean, had no reason to be scared out here, but he was wanting to hike with us, and we told him, hey, we're doing, 12 miles, and he was just happy to join along, and then he was following us. He didn't understand the difference between day hiking and backpacking. He was totally clueless. It was the weirdest thing. I've never seen anybody be so timid or scared out in the woods and then wanting to hike with complete strangers. So I don't know. And then we got to a road, and he decided, well, we told him, I said, look, man, you've gone pretty far, you might want to turn around and go back or go up there to see your views. And then he said, oh yeah. And then he goes, can I get a Polaroid of you guys? And he breaks out this old style Polaroid camera and he snaps a picture of us. And he gave it to us. And I was like, okay, thanks. It was just really, really weird. He was a younger guy. He was probably late 20s, something like that. And then he went up the hill, and we don't know how far he went, of course, but I've just never encountered someone like that out here. He even said he was freaked out by a squirrel. So I don't know. It just seemed very, very weird. But anyway, I hope he made it back to his car. I'm sure he did. Okay, well, we just got finished having lunch. It is about 1 something, between 1 and 1:30. I'm not exactly sure. We've got we're at mile marker 244 at Walker Creek. Rick is down there filtering, and we're going to go up here a little ways, and then we connect on another road, and we've got like a 2-mile road walk. Then we get back on the trail, we go down to Twin Creek, and I'm gonna filter water there. I'm not gonna filter water here, don't need to. And that puts us at 244. No, I'm sorry, no, we're at 247. Twin Creek puts us at 244. And then we have that big climb, and then we go into Brush Creek at like 240.5. So we're basically 7 miles from the water. Now what may happen is we end up camping before that, but I don't see that really happening. It could happen, but I don't think that will be the case. So we'll probably camp right around, well, if you go down Brush Creek, it takes you down into some streams, so there might be an area down there. That was my original plan anyway. So we'll see how it works. Like I said, we're kind of playing it by ear on this. We've never been out here before, so we don't know. We don't know. You get your water? Do you have just a 1 liter bottle with you?
I got 3 liter, but I only got 2 of them filled.
Okay.
But I got 3 liter.
3?
I brought 1 empty bottle, so I can fill up 3 just before we go into camp.
Okay, that's smart. Yeah. Okay, we're coming up on Highway 341. We just left Twin Creek. This is roughly mile marker 244. And we gotta wait for Rick. He'll be catching us shortly. We're gonna walk across the road, get in the shade. Okay. Here comes somebody.
Yep.
All right. Oh, let's wait for Rick.
Yep.
Howdy. Here he comes. I put that extra thing of water on the other side of my pack, and now my back doesn't hurt anymore. It's amazing what weight adjustments can do. All right. Well, I think we're going, you see that right up there? Straight right up there. I think that's what we're going for.
Well, I'll be there. Maybe that time's slow, but I'll be there.
Well, I think we'll all be going slow. We only have 4 miles.
Yeah.
So this will be the, huh? We're about, I think we're a little shy of 10 miles. I think 9 miles.
We're about 9 1/4.
Yeah, that sounds right. So, yeah. Okay, about to make the big climb. 350 feet. Sun's out. We cameled up. Everyone's got full water. Got 4 miles left to camp. And we have some water cached there. So it should work out. The only thing we don't know is exactly where we'll find a camping spot. But we'll figure that out when we get there. All right. Oh, bearing tree. Very cool. I think I found the hill. All right. There should be plenty of switchbacks. Okay, guys. We're still making our climb. Just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of it. This is, I don't know, we're near the top. I'd say we're 75%, and a lot of good switchbacks, so it hadn't been too bad. Try to show you the view. This camera won't really pick that up, but pretty good view. I'm thinking maybe that right there is where we came from, Matney Knob. Because we're 10 miles into our hike, and that looks like it might be 10 miles. So I'm not entirely sure. That might be Matney Knob. You think that's Matney Knob where we started?
It's kind of knobbish.
Yeah, kind of knobbish. But right there, do you think?
Oh,
I mean, because we've gone 10 miles.
I bet it is.
I bet it is too, because it would be the highest thing
Uh-huh.
north of where we are.
I think you're right.
So I don't see anything. Yeah, that's got to be it. Okay.
I don't know which other one it would be.
Yeah, I don't see anything that would even compare. Okay, all right. Let's continue. We're almost there.
Whatever.
Okay, quick edit about this climb. I lied. Down there was the easy part. Now they ran out of room for switchbacks, and you just go straight up from here. You see the top is way up there, so it just kind of straightens out and kind of goes straight. Oh, here's a nice little flat spot finally. But for a little while there, it was straight up. But I think the trail's going to take us on around that, so we don't have to go up that. But we're going to go around it. Woo, man, got me winded. Beautiful view. Probably in a couple of weeks, you won't even be able to see it. The leaves will be back and everything. So, but yeah, it's a pretty sight. Well, we are on the ridge still after our big climb. We should be going down here relatively soon. The time is about 4:30. I estimate we'll be in camp. Well, we have to find camp. We'll make camp around 5:30. something like that. It's been a warm day. It's been a warm day, I can promise you that. We're under 2 miles, so that's about an hour. But the real problem is going to be finding a campsite. Just like I said, this trail doesn't have a whole lot of established campsites. In fact, we've only seen 2, and you know, all the other places where there could be campsites, well, I mean, there just aren't that many of them. I mean, you keep looking around to see what the possibilities are, and you just don't see many. So I think this section of the OHT is it's going to take a while to develop as far as campsites go. I think there's going to have to be a lot of dry camping out here. Some of the best possible places to camp are up high on these ridges, and of course you don't have any water, and that, you know, makes life a little more difficult. You got to carry water longer than you want to and all that. So anyway, something to consider if you come out here. That, I mean, the water was pretty good up until about mile 9, coming, you know, from the north heading south. But here we've been going for a few miles and not really a whole lot of options, and even fewer campsite options. It's just so thick. I mean, look around here, you see, I mean, you have a lot of slanted ground and just not a whole lot of places to pitch your tent. Now, if you're in a hammock, you might have some more options out here, but if you are in a tent, it's going to be a little tougher. Okay, this is going to be really hard to see on camera. So right down there is a huge waterfall. I'd say 45 feet, 40 feet, something like that. And there's a whole ledge, like almost like a half a bowl kind of thing. But yeah, I bet that's a pretty waterfall, and there's lots of rain. That's cool. Oh, okay. We have made it to the trailhead. What the heck's that? Brush Creek. Some people here. See? About a 14-mile day. Whoa. Still not done. We gotta go down there and find a camp spot. I'm gonna get our water. I'm gonna take my pack off here. Whew. Boy, nice little climb. Back out of there. There it is. Okay. All right. How was that nice last little hill right there?
Yeah.
That's something.